In Feng Shui, the arrangement of the main entrance is considered one of the most important elements. This is because the main entrance is considered a gateway that receives positive energy and blocks negative energy. Today, we will look at some interior tips for entryway to enhance positive energy flow. But before we continue, please like and subscribe if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. First, consider the view from the entryway. It is not good if you can see all the way into the other side of the house from the entrance. It is particularly disfavored if you can see the back door or a window on the opposite wall from the entryway. This is because the energy that flows into the house will go straight out through the other side, without staying and circulating in the house. It is also not favorable for bathrooms or kitchens to be visible from the main entryway. If your house has this arrangement, it is advisable to install a secondary door or install a partition to block the view. But unless you are building a house from the ground up or doing major remodeling, it is often difficult to change this. Also, if you live in a small apartment or a studio, it is difficult to avoid having the view of the interior from the door. If this is the case for you, you can place a plant at the entrance to purify the energy. Just make sure that the plant is healthy and not a fake plant, because dead or fake plants can diminish vitality, so it's preferable not to use them as decorations in the entrance. You can also try putting a movable screen or a curtain to block the view from the door. Second, mirror in the entryway. One of the popular beliefs in Feng Shui is not to place a mirror in the entrance. This is because if a mirror reflects you back immediately upon opening the entrance door, it reflects any positive energy entering the house back out as well. But this is not to say that you should never have a mirror in the entrance. You can place a mirror as long as it is hung on the side wall of the entrance, rather than facing the door. A general rule of thumb is that if the mirror is on the left side as you enter the house, it helps with wealth aspect, while a mirror on right side will help with reputational aspect of the homeowner. But keep in mind that this is just a general rule, and your individual house's direction and structure will have to be considered as well. Also, it's best for the mirror to be small, round, with a wooden frame. If you ever have to hang a large mirror facing the entrance, choose one with a wooden frame and place foliage plants in front of the mirror to soften the effect of the mirror. Third, entryway lighting. Use bright lighting in the entrance and maintain a bright atmosphere. Keeping the light bright helps harmonize the yin and yang energies and prevents negative energy from accumulating. Daylight colored light bulbs are preferable over warm colored bulbs. If your house don't already have proper lighting, consider adding battery-powered lights on motion sensor. 4. Entryway rugs. Entryway rugs can play a role in brushing off the negative energy that sticks to our bodies when entering the house from outside. Here are some quick guidelines. To improve health luck, it's good to have a green mat. To improve business luck, put a deep blue mat. To improve love life, a pink one. And to enhance financial luck, use a white mat. It's recommended that entrance mats to be sufficiently thick so as to define a separate area from the rest of the room. However, overly flashy patterns like animal prints can lead to job changes, so caution is needed. Conversely, for those seeking a job change, laying down a flashy mat might be helpful. To further increase luck, it's better to choose natural materials such as cotton or hemp rather than synthetic fibers. And mats with natural patterns like flowers or plants are considered the best. If a mat gets dirty, it means it has absorbed negative energy, so it's important to always keep the entrance mat clean to improve luck. 5. Accessories. On the entrance door, hanging a bell or a chime with bright sound tone is recommended. The clear sound it produces is a way to stimulate success and prosperity for the household. When bright lighting and clear-sounding chimes are added, it allows positive energy to flow through, neutralizing bad luck and inviting good fortune. It's not ideal for items to block the front immediately upon entry, as it limits the space. Hanging still life paintings with a bright feel or peaceful landscape paintings on the wall can be beneficial. Ideally, umbrellas should not be visible from the entrance. It's okay to leave dry umbrellas, but wet ones shouldn't be placed in the entrance. Even for dry umbrellas, it's best to have an umbrella stand, preferably made of pottery. And finally, keep the entryway clean. The entrance, where people come and go, is where external energy is most transmitted. Since this is the first space you see when entering the house, it's best to keep it clean. Maintaining cleanliness in the entrance is important because a messy entrance is akin to accumulating negative energy, and the overall luck of the house may decline. So keep your entryway clean and bright, and with pleasant fragrances to allow good energy to enter abundantly. Do not let shoes pile up in the entryway, as they can also greatly impact the luck of the household. Make it a habit to put shoes in the shoe rack and always keep them neatly organized. Items emitting negative energy, such as worn-out brooms, umbrellas, or recyclables, should not be kept there. If the entrance floor is dirty, it is difficult to expect wealth luck. Today, we looked at some points to consider when decorating your entryway. Consider these tips to bring in the positive energy to your house and expel negative energy. Please like this video if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. And please subscribe to receive regular Feng Shui tips. It really helps small channel like us. We wish your home a happy and prosperous energy flow.